much if you are not new, welcome back, and I'm here with another install. And today we have here from KINNIS Hair, and this is all they sent over. They sent over headband, information card, wig caps, a scrunchie, and of course the hair. So this is what the natural texture looks like, and this is what like the inside of the cap is. Cap construction. This is obviously bleached, plucked, all of that beforehand, and this is the back. And I'm just taking out the two combs on the sides because I don't use those. I don't like those. They just like when I put my wigs on, they just dig into my braids and pull my hair, and I don't like those. So I don't do those. And then I wanted to show y'all my Shrek shirt because this is one of my favorite shirts and I love it. But this is the difference, like the side-by-side comparison from tinting and not tinting. I tint with makeup. I don't use like a lace tint. I don't know. I'd be behind at times. I just really be getting comfortable and do what works for me. But yeah. So one thing I have started to do was cut my lace off with a razor before putting the wig on. And I will say I feel like I get a better melt than cut it off like afterwards. So I'll do a different technique. I don't do a little different product. But yes, definitely did a different technique. And it's been working for me so far. Honestly, it's been working for me so far. So here I'm just taking off a little bit of extra lace and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so my adhesive of choice is the Ebon Wonder Lace. Love, love, love this stuff. So I think I only did like one like layer, I would say, and then I just let it dry. I think I did. Yeah, like a one layer all around the head, and then I just like let it, dry and get tacky and stuff like that. And that's what you're seeing me do here. This stuff is, I don't think it's better than the bed head, hard head, but I feel like it might be a little bit better than the Got To Be. So yeah, but all three of them are really good sprays. It's all about what you prefer as a person. So I'm gonna speed up me doing my sides. I do them like separately because my sides never like to stick. Now I don't know what it is, but yeah. And then I did way too much spray, but you gotta make sure that your perimeter is down all the way because nobody likes lifting lace. That's ugly. So make sure your perimeter is all the way down before you put your elastic band on. And yeah. So after I had my elastic band on, this probably was like 2 minutes. I do not leave them on long at all. I don't know what it is. I went in with this because I feel like my edges wasn't like sticking down. Like the ends of my, not the ends, the perimeter of my lace was not giving it to me. So I tried a different spray and this ended up working out. It ended up looking really good, real nice. And then I went and I was taking like some of the hairs from under the lace. And then after this, we're gonna go and start carving out our baby hairs. I don't know why this took so long. It was so many hairs like stuck under the lace. Y'all make sure y'all get that right, get that tight before, because it's super annoying and it feels so weird. But here's me trying to carve out my lace. I was trying to do like little circles and I don't know. I feel like I was doing that for no reason because it just looked like it didn't do nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch me. I'm not carving out every single layer because it took a long time. Like carving out my baby hairs takes so long, so long, because I want everything to look symmetrical for the most part and all of that stuff. And and it takes like 25 minutes on top of the 25 to actually do the baby hairs. I feel like baby hairs is the longest part of the install. Like no funny, it is the longest part. But after I do that, I'm gonna go in with my She Is Bomb wax stick, and I'm gonna put that all behind the baby hairs, or the premeditated baby hairs, I'll say. And then I'm gonna go in with my flat iron. Hopefully the next install y'all see a new flat iron. Not that there's anything wrong with this one, but I want a pink one. I want like a pink plated flat iron that's like bedazzled with rhinestones on the handle. And I know this is pink on the handle, but I did that. I want one that I bought like that, Like, I feel like when I DIY stuff, it look DIY, I don't like that. But that's neither here nor there. I'm just, training my baby hairs down for the most part. And now I'm doing my part. And this is, a zigzag part. So, and I never did this before, surprisingly. Obviously, it was like really simple, but I've never done this before. But it was really, really simple, y'all. Real cute. Just a nice way to add a little pizzazz to your hairstyle. Because, you know, I was like, ugh, don't want to do a bust down middle. I did a middle before. I don't want to do a side because this is like wavy hair. I feel like that's not going to look cute on me. So, like, what do I do? What do I do? And I said ZigZag. And it was super duper cute. So I'm going to let y'all watch me do that. And then after I get my parts together, I'm going to wax it up, hot it up, and I'll be back. I lied so bad. I'm sorry. This footage is really old. It's really old footage, y'all. I'm sorry. But before I get to really prepping, you know, the part that I did, I'm gonna start with my baby hairs. Don't ask me why. It would have made very much more sense to going with the hot comb, but hey, this is what we're doing. And y'all know the drill. Curling them up, curling really, 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 really tight before you even go in with any edge control, gel, mousse, if that's your twist still. Let me stop being like that, but because nothing wrong with a little moussey mousse, but I hate mousse now, I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm going in and waxing it up and all of that stuff. And I guess I did that because I'm, you know, gonna wax the front too. I truly can't tell you. I really can't tell you. It would have made more sense to, whatever, neither here nor there. So I'm taking the Kiss Edge Fixer. And this is in Very Cherry. Smells so good. And this is what I'm using for my baby hairs. I think I use that in conjunction with something else. I think that I used that with gel too, didn't I? Maybe not. But that is a really good edge control though. I used hairspray. That's why I'm bullshitting here. I used hairspray too. And it looks really cute, you know, carefree for the most part with little curlies on the side. And then I pressed back the front. And then after this, I'm going to go into like styling the actual hair, you know, because this is wavy hair. So wetting it, putting in product. I'll show you the product, but I'm not going to talk anymore. This is it. Oh, this hair is so effing cute. But yeah, I'm just going to, you know, end my talking here and let y'all just watch the rest of this. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's been a while. Lots going on. But thank you for watching. And make sure you stay tuned for the next one, whenever that'll be.